ZANU PF, a revolutionary political party built through sacrifice and sustained by discipline, cannot afford to turn internal disagreements into public combat. That was the sober warning issued by Comrade Hon Matuke, the party's Secretary for Security in the Politburo, as he addressed the rising concern over how differences are built are being handled within the movement. Salabina Mashkobdani Bachinzi, Honorable Minister Matuke warns public infighting can disembowel Zanu PF not was subscribe or like out on the bell icon Tibida Mobdanyo Gomchinzi. Comrade Matuke urged members of the deceased from having a go at each other in public and to learn to resolve their differences amicably, cautioning that unchecked public quarrels carry a far more serious consequence. When internal disputes are performed in the open, he warned, they risk disemboweling the party from within, stripping it of cohesion, authority, and moral center. We are deeply concerned by the disturbing developments we are witnessing within our party, Matuke said, noting with alarm that senior leaders and honorary members alike are openly attacking one another at public rallies and on social media platforms such conduct, he made clear, is not harmless expression. It is organizational self-harm. This behavior is alien to the values, traditions, and discipline that have sustained our great revolutionary party for decades, he said. ZANU-PF's endurance has never been accidental. It has been the product of unity, respect for structure, and a collective understanding that internal discipline is the price for political longevity. Comrade Matuke reminded members of the party its ideological foundation. ZANU-PF was founded on unity, respect, and collective responsibility, principles that have enabled it to overcome adversity and continue serving the people of Zimbabwe. To abandon these principles in favor of public point scoring is to forget why the party has survived when many others have not. Although he spoke primarily in his party role, Matuke also serves the country's state security minister, a fact that sharpens the gravity of the warning. A revolutionary party that governs cannot separate its internal order from national stability. Public discipline within its ranks does not merely weaken the party, it threatens the broader political equilibrium. Ndo mashikwana etogora Matuke. Pinagome section medu za funguro a mod kulipa msoro pechitku each. So subscribe or like up or turn on the bell icon.